What is the ratio in espresso coffee? In espresso coffee, the ratio refers to the weight of dry coffee grounds used in relation to the final liquid espresso yield. This ratio determines the strength, flavor, and extraction of the coffee. It is typically expressed as coffee dose in grams and espresso yield in grams. 1. Ristretto is highly concentrated. The ratio is typically 1:1 or 1:1.5. For example, 18 grams of coffee and 18 to 27 grams of espresso produces a thicker, more intense shot with bold flavors. 2. Espresso or a traditional balance is usually a 1:2 ratio. For example, 18 grams of coffee, 36 grams of espresso. It has well-balanced flavors with ideal strength. 3. Lungo is milder and more diluted. It typically has a ratio of 1:3 or 1:4. For example, 18 grams of coffee and 54 to 72 grams of espresso. It is lighter, more extracted, with subtle flavors. Choosing the right coffee ratios. First, understand the standard ratio. Consider the type of espresso. Adjust based on coffee beans. Dark roasts often work better with shorter ratios, while lighter roasts may need a longer ratio to extract full flavors. Match with brew time. The ideal espresso extraction time is 30 to 40 seconds, so adjust the grind size if the ratio is off. Factor in personal taste. If you prefer bold, intense flavors, go for a shorter ratio. If you like a milder, smoother taste, you can opt for a longer ratio. Experiment and adjust. Small tweaks to grind size, coffee dose, and extraction time can help you achieve the perfect espresso for your preference. Use a scale for accuracy. Weigh both the coffee dose ground and the final espresso yield liquid to ensure consistency. By following these points, you can fine-tune your espresso ratio for the best balance of strength, flavor, and mouthfeel.